Hapana chakamboipa pazvinhu zvese zviri kuitika.
There's nothing wrong with all the things that
May
we do.
wonder kuti all this issue dzekuti hama dzedu dziri kudzorwa and so on.
Where our relatives are being brought back.
It's unfortunate. And it's not good sometimes when you see people suffering that way. Yeah. You would wish sometimes my systems die agonaku collaborate.
That the systems have been able to collaborate.
Ushamwari wenyika.
And that relationship
ubatsire pakurarama kwevanhu.
between nations was able to assist in the livelihoods of people.
But again, we are not yet in heaven. This is earth. Systems cannot be perfect. And iropafadzo renyika futi
Of the nation, again,
kana nyika iyoyo ine vatorwa.
if it has strangers or
Iropafadzo
foreigners,
yenyika vamwe havaziva kuti
it's a blessing of the nation.
kukomborerwa
Some people don't realize
kwenyika.
that that's a blessing of the nation,
kuti nyika ive nevaenzi.
where a nation can have visitors.
It's a blessing when strangers find peace in your land. When strangers makes your country their home, it's a blessing given to a nation. And you will have to destroy that blessing yourself. You must cede that responsibility back to God and say, God, raise another nation that can save humanity. But when people have abandoned their responsibility vakapiwa naMwari yekuchengeta
That God
vanhu
gave
vanobva
them.
kune dzimwe nyika,
To look after the stranger and the sojourner
then
from
people
another
must
nation.
go back to their countries. Yeah. So we should not always blame people when they are being chased away. We must also blame ourselves for allowing people to even live in the first place. Whatever they are looking for there, they're supposed to have it here. Yeah. They are also trying to put their country in order. If they can do it alone, give him a chance. Give them a chance. Yeah. If they can do it alone without you, give the people a chance. It's not your country, it's their country. What's your problem there? Since we are so hardworking, we must come back here and work hard and make sure that we facilitate, we make it possible for hard work to pay off. Home is home. Kumba, kumba.
Home is home.
Yeah, kumba, kumba.
Home is home.
Never, never, don't lose hope over what is happening. Huh? We should not be too much worried about you because, hey, you are coming where we are. This is not hell. Why should we cry over your coming, yet we are here? We are here. Yeah. We are here. We are here. Yeah. This is to show that riches are not forever. We go out there in search of riches, but they are not for ever. Even if you were the president of any nation, at some point you'll have to look into this migration issue. It's happening in the United States of America, and not many people are talking about it.
There they started by saying we want to build a wall. We're going to build a wall. We're going to build a wall to keep people from coming
It's
into our
happening
country.
everywhere. But when it happens closer to you now, it's like it's a different story. People are also trying to keep certain order.
Now you leave, excuse yourself.
Because
it's being said that you are the ones that are killing there.
crime rate,
So let's come back home and see if the crime rate is going to decrease. Are we agreed?
I could have said this some time back, but my approach is to collect maridzo from what is trending.
Our approach is not to collect our teachings, our sermons from what's trending. We have many things to preach.
Professor,
It's a while back.
Yeah. I want people that I know that you are not being alienated from the ministry if you become a partner, or if you don't become a partner rather. But the people that are going to be partnering with me, you are partnering at your level of ability. And we'll have to be having times together.